Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to trim picture in Photoshop. So click on image and here click on trim. Now here you will see option based on transparent pixel, top left pixel color or bottom right pixel color, and also you can set trim away like top, bottom, left or right. Like top left pixel color, then click on OK. So another option trim and bottom right pixel color. So firstly undo this setting. Now trim and select bottom right pixel color this way. So this is the way guys you can trim picture in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.